bringing these awesome and as always guys, peace. And as always guys, be sure to like and subscribe. It helps me keep bringing What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back.
Hey, I got this. Hey y'all. Sorry, let's make it all official like he does. What's up guys, it's me Haley B and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to be doing a first ride on this 2017 Polaris Slingshot coming up.
Alright, here we go. Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Nice. So this thing has a nice push button start. Just turn on right there. Yeah. Alright. So this thing does come equipped with seat belts, just like a car. Okay, so this is the SLR model. So this is supposed to be the top of the line model back in 2017. I think now for the 2020 they have an R model which has an auto drive. This is a manual 5-speed, and the difference between the SLR and the base model is this comes with the Sparco steering wheel, the shifter, and the foot pedals, and it also has a wider rear tire. So let's do it. So this all works just like a normal car. Has a backup camera, so that's pretty cool. And man, finally got a beautiful day to do this. So all my other reviews, I always get a cloudy day. I hate it. Man, I haven't driven a manual car in a while. All right, so they classify this thing as an auto cycle. It's not really a motorcycle. I don't know if all states have swapped over to that, but you do have to have a motorcycle license to drive these and wear a motorcycle helmet. But since they've changed the rules a little bit, I think they have it to the point now where you don't even need a motorcycle license to drive one of these. Let's see how the power is. I could definitely get used to one of these. At least the wind's not so bad in your face. Alright, so the overall styling of this Slingshot is actually pretty unique. I mean, I think it looks awesome. It looks like something exotic. It is a head turner. You know, you drive down the road and people look like, what is that? I think a lot of people still don't know what it is. It's a weird three-wheeled looking car thing or another. So I want to show you guys real quick as far as the storage goes on this puppy. This thing has little storage compartments on both sides, so you can fit, you know, some sort of bag or anything like that in there. So just don't think that you don't have anywhere to put anything, but just know that that is there. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so as far as power goes, this thing is pushing out a 2.4 liter GM Ecotech motor. So this motor used to be in a Pontiac Solstice and the Chevy Cobalt, believe it or not. It's pushing out 173 horsepower and 166 foot-pounds of torque. So with a vehicle like this that weighs a little over 1,700 pounds, you got power for days. I've heard of guys putting bigger motors in here, trying to make it, you know, really fast. The only problem with that is you have one tire for putting the power down to the ground. So when you get more power, you're never going to be able to successfully get all that power from your upgrades. I think that's why the stock power that's in this is plenty for this vehicle. Alright, so styling looks good. This thing's got ample power. It handles well. As far as the ergos go, I think it's pretty comfortable. I'm a tall guy, 6'2". I fit in here pretty good. I don't think that the seat is, yet you can adjust the seat forward and back, but just like any old little sports car, I think it feels pretty good. So I wonder how this thing does in a drive-through.
Let's try it out.
What better place to try it than at Dunkin' Donuts?
You mean to tell me you're cheating on your first love?
Hey, look now. Starbucks is my jam.
I mean, haven't you heard America runs on Dunkin'?
Yeah, can I get a large French vanilla iced coffee with cream and sugar, please? That's it. The cool thing about this car is it has cup holders. I'm gonna get the peanut butter one. Thank you. Alright, you guys have a good day. Oh, look at that catch. Girl Scout cookies! Yeah. Want me to buy some more? Alright, what do you like about the Slingshot so far?
Well, I like the way it looks, and it's pretty fun.
It's pretty fun. That's it? Now you're probably wondering how the wind is in your face and everything. Not too bad just because we have this windscreen here. You do get some wind coming in a little bit, but it's not overly bad. I don't know if there's any kind of like aftermarket exhaust or anything like that. I'm sure you can get it, but just stock, this thing sounds pretty good. As far as the brakes on this, they're okay. They don't stop you on a dime, but they're pretty decent. All right, so this thing is set up just like a car would be with all your controls, you know, blinker, brights, has traction control, stuff like that. So this doesn't have any kind of power modes or anything like that I know of. If I am missing that, please let me know down in the comments. And yeah guys, this is just a fun little machine. Now I will say on this side, as far as blind spots go, when you're trying to look on the passenger side, it is a little hard with all that in the rear, trying to look over. The mirrors aren't too bad, and then definitely on the driver's side you can see everything all day long, so just be aware of that. I want to go out and buy one of these now. Can we get one?
Got Slingshot money?
Yeah. I think you could commute around a little small city with this. I think this would also be good for like a little beach town or something like that too. All right, let's see how this thing handles on this turn here. Traction control is off. This thing handles great. It's like being back in a little car again, like my little Subaru BRZ. Hey, what do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. If you had to go back and forth to work, do you think this is something to commute in?
Probably just depends on how far away your work is.
Yeah, I think this is something good, you know, to have on the weekends, go have fun with. And then you could commute back and forth to work with this. I've seen people do it. You know, you could run errands and stuff like that. It is like sitting in a little sports car, like a little Miata or something. The seats in here are comfy, not too bad. And the suspension is kind of tight, so it has really good handling, believe it or not. This thing handles like it's on rails.
If we're being honest, motorcycles in general pretty much scare me, but this is definitely something that I enjoy. As always, Eric wants to say thanks to the guys at Flip My Cycle for allowing us to do this first ride, and especially for allowing me to tag along.
Also, please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It allows me to continue to keep doing videos just like these. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.